You have a table in your room.
Yep. Study table. And 2 study tables.
You got the TV
And
in
another
your room.
table. Yes.
You got.
But there's no 24/7 in my room!
You got a computer.
No,
or a
laptop.
And stereo.
There's no 24/7. So, walang kwenta ang kwarto ko ng medyo.
Stereo.
No, boombox.
Boombox. You got posters hanging there. I don't know. Is there something special in your room? Like an item?
Pamela.
Except Pamela. I mean, like, I don't know, furniture or
I don't think so.
this place.
Wala. Beanbag? I don't know. Wala. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Kasi siguro, gusto ko aayusin ko mega ayos sa kwarto. As in, personalize. As in, the way I want it with the stuff I want. Kapag may sarili na akong place.
Okay. Meron ka mga pictures?
Of my room?
Yeah. No pictures from you, no pictures from your boyfriend, no pictures from your family, nothing is hanging. Or naka-table or something.
Dati, wala na. Dati, meron ako sa binder or sa notebook. Pictures.
Oh?
Because I like looking at them from time. No, pictures ng barkada ko or my family or my boyfriend. Kasi, di ba dumating sa point na medyo yung school sa akin, I wasn't so comfortable. Yun. Or in the middle of class, alam mo yun. Wala.
Alam mo yun, pang motivate.
Yeah, if that's your motivation, yeah.
I leave it there.
Then it helps. It really helps.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe if you have your inspiration or your motivation all the time there.
Family, barkada, tsaka... wrong.
If that keeps you all the time to school and keeps you pushing. Okay, well,
Not just... Nagkataon sa school, pero when...
Was it only in high school or as well in college?
College. I was bullied in college.
Bullied again?
I wasn't bullied in high school. Only elementary and...
sorry.
And if I was bullied in high school, hindi sa loob ng school, sa labas.
Okay.
Nung grade school ako, sa loob ng school. Nung college, sa loob din ng school.
Did you get as well as a college? Pero hindi naman malaki.
Yeah, but not that serious.
Yeah.
I mean, not as traumatic as...
Yeah, before.
As big as... that was really a big issue. Ito, parang wala lang magawa sa buhay. Napag-initan ako. And hindi lang ako. Unlike ng grade school, ako talaga yung pinag-initan. Ito, nung college, parang yung girl yata na to, war freak talaga.
Ka-batch mo or senior?
Younger. She's younger than...
At nagbubuli sa'yo, younger?
Yeah.
Oh?
Yeah. But I look younger. I look younger kasi. I heard talagang malaking problema. Parang niya, hobby niya lang talaga bully. Maghari-harian sa school. She's a girl, but maghari-harian. Wala siyang magawa sa buhay.
Is your room messy?
What?
Messy?
My room? Depends. Kailan?
If it's messy, what is messy?
School stuff.
Yeah. Like if my room is messy, it's clothes.
Usually pag exams, pag clothes, oo, pag kunwari aalis ako. Pag exams, wala kang malalakaran, puro papel.
Oh.
Tapos bago ako pumasok, before I leave for school, bilin ko, wag niyong gagalawin yung papel.
Oh.
Kahit na super irita na kayo. Oo. Mukhang basurahan na malaki.
Hmm.
I told you, I write everything.
Mhm.
Ganun din ako mag-aral. I have to write everything down.
Mhm.
Pero syempre, kasi lang naman ako, hindi ako overnight mag-aral.
Mhm.
Weeks before, may naisulat na, alam mo yun. Pero lahat,
Weeks
write
before.
everything down. Naiirita nga kasi ako pag meron akong na-miss, alam mo yun, hindi na-aral. Alam mo yun, naiirita ako pag hindi kompleto.
Yeah.
And usually, ang goal ko is lumampas pa dun sa requirement.
I said.
Naiirita ako pag hindi ko na, super irita. Naiinis ako. Parang hindi ako handa sa laban. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Eh, di ba nga,
Bahay ninyo, how does it look like? 2 floors, 3 floors? 2. You have a basement? So it's pahaba, malapad or patas?
I'm not sure. It's a corner house.
Yeah. Garden or without?
My garden. But not big.
Mm. You have 2 kitchens, right?
Huge. What?
Dalawa kitchen niyo. Dalawa.
One.
I wasn't sure.
There used to be a small kitchen in my tito's room.
Yeah.
But he doesn't cook eh. So, wala na yung stove niya doon.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi may bar. Basta, nung bata akong hindi ko maglaro doon.
Is it white?
His room?
No.
Like-
Inside, is it white?
My house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Outside?
It used to be white. Now it's dirty.
Yeah.
Beige?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Wow, I miss my house.
Yung kwarto ng mama mo malaki. Bigger than yours, small.
Huh?
Do you have a toilet in your sa inyo? I know
Each
your
room
mom.
has,
Your mom.
toilet and bathroom.
Oh, nice. But
Tub.
you usually go to your
Each room
mom.
has a tub.
Yeah.
But I don't use my banyo
Why?
for bath.
Mhm.
I like my mom's. Everything's there.
Mhm.
Siguro nasanay na rin ako. Even for number 2.
You said
Kunwari, it's occupied. My mom's banyo's occupied. And there are like 4 other banyos in the house. I'd wait.
Mhm.
Or sisigawan ko siya, Ma, layos na dyan! Ako naman! Oh. I think.